Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn this type of animation. So in my today's video, I'm going to create this type of animation, and this animation is created in Tupitube. So Tupitube is an animation software that is 2D animation software in which we can create 2D animation. And if you want to create a new project, you have to click on this file button and then new project. It will display a small screen, and you have to just click on this tick button and your particular canvas will open up. So for creating that animation, you required one rectangle. To draw a rectangle, just click on this rectangular tool and then click on this color palette and then select the required color that you want. I am just selecting my color, this green color, and it will display some option of green colors, that some shades of green. I am selecting the one of the shade, and first you have to fill this contour option and then click on this fill option and select the same color that you have selected for contour. Okay, I have selected the same color for both of the options, and now click on the color palette again to close this color palette, and just press the left click at the outside of your page and draw a small rectangle. After creating this rectangle, you have to insert some animation on this rectangle. So for that, you have to select this option, and this option is known as the twinning option, and we have to select this motion twin. So for motion twin, when I have selected this motion twin, there is one palette, that is property palette, that is open on the right side. You have to click on this plus button. After selecting this plus button, again select the plus button. Just set the path for this rectangle. I am just clicking on the bottom. This is the first path, and then click on this particular side. And if you want that your rectangle should be move in the curved position, so you have to click on this point and give some curve to your path. Okay, like this, as I'm moving the path to make a path as a curved path. Okay, and then change the frames as 20, and the second frame should also be 20, and then click on this tick button. And now just play your animation to see that how your animation is looking. For playing your animation, you have to click on this player tab, and after playing your player tab, this particular animation is playing infinite time because I have selected this option. This option is a loop option. I have selected this option. If you have deselected this option, then your object will not be move in infinity. Okay, if you want that your object should move in infinity, so just click on this option. Okay, and then again click on this animation, and I'm going to apply the second motion, that is the rotation twin. So click on the rotation twin and then click on this plus button. Again click on the plus button and then select the object. After selecting the object, click on set properties, and after selecting this select property, you have to increase the speed, and I am just writing the 10.00 speed, and the direction should be clockwise and continuous, and just click on this right button. And after creating this motion, click on the player tab again to view the motion. In this motion, your dice is also rotating and also showing some motion. So we have applied two type of motion on this dice or rectangular, that is just playing like a dice. It's a simple rectangle but behaving like a dice. I hope this animation is clear to you, and if you like this animation, just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.